Cause there's hella motherfuckers here, bro. And his ass going with the camera over here. Nah, yeah, I do YouTube. Nah, y'all want to subscribe?
Answer the question.
Bro, I gotta ask y'all a quick question real quick today.
Oh, no.
Come on.
Hey, look, I was in that circle. I was in there getting grouped with their ass, bro.
Damn, is that security? What the fuck, gang? Caleb, love you, dog. You know this, bro. I pay this nigga good, great money for this shit. He making this shit happen on God, but it's all worth it. Yeah!
Man, I guess I needed clarity. I don't think these niggas hearing me. It did bit for the one time. When I walk in, bitch, it crash time. Bitches been hitting my phone, won't leave me alone. I need some alone time.
Oh Lord, Jesse made another one.
Heart beat fast, what's that? I can't love you like I love my money. Yeah, it's coming back. I got word, I was blowing money like it's not.
I ain't gonna lie, bro, you cameraman of the year, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cause you just ran all the way down there and got all that, bro. Oh my God.
Smoke a blunt in the morning and you will be delighted, my brother. And happily love thy neighbor that has weed. Gone from your sins. Blessings. Hey, Graham. Preach, brother. Preach. Preach, brother Warner. Brother L is out. Brother Miller Warner. Back to the brother Bill. Hey, I don't like this. It's a straight shot. Somebody don't want to drive. It's a parade inside my city.
Damn! Ganging in.
I ain't spending my shit. Last time I seen him, he had a V6 Challenger, but it was like a GT or some shit. Yeah, he upgraded. On partner, he doing this shit. I ain't gonna lie. He still got that bitch. Yeah,
On God, he doing this shit.
Get one of them.
On my soul, he kicking rocks at your shit.
You need one viral TikTok.
You know what? I be doing better on Instagram Reels rather than TikTok recent shit. TikTok, delete my shit, bro. Damn. I need me one of these. I need me one of these.
Hey, they tricking us. Y'all don't know. The burnouts cost money.
Oh yeah, I know.
I ain't doing that shit. That's what I'm saying.
Damn, this bitch lit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Custom, old school. On my soul, they like that. They out here. They're out here. Bro, we just seeing everybody out here. I just see my boy Marion from high school, bro. Everybody out here. Everybody traveling from out of town up in this motherfucker. Like, it's Cinco De motherfucking Mayo. Fuck you talking about, nigga? What you say? Big body, big.
So I see your body, bitch, let's talk about it. I got hella bodies, I don't got no hobbies. It's just me, my posse. Do that bitch a pussy. Don't wanna talk about it. She just said it's all about me. Bitch, just check my closet.
Do you know where? Damn, cameraman be gone. I be like, where the fuck cameraman go? I know y'all be hearing me. Oh yeah. My ears, I'm going to sleep deaf, boy.
My ears hurt. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never had no shit like this.
Bro, you right up behind their ass though, like right up behind the car every time.
I need
every
earplugs.
time, like you need earplugs, bro. I'm
know.
going to sleep deaf.
Can you hear what I'm saying?
Huh?
No, this nigga deaf now.
Huh? What you say? I hear.
Like rock. Keep it a stack.
Keep it a stack.
Think about stupid. Let's go.
Keep it a stack. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I see.
He
sync like Snapchat, bro.
But when I record something, I'll swing it right back to your face.
Bro, because it's catching all audio, bro. It's all good quality content out here. 2023, 2024. Going up, we finna hit 1K, man. I don't know when this shit gonna end. But we got a lot of clips for y'all. And I hope y'all is enjoying it or has enjoyed it. Yeah.
Damn.
Both of y'all is short as hell.
Look at the lights. Look, come back. Look at the lights.
Both of y'all is short as hell.
Look up.
Y'all don't get no fuck. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Damn, he his ass with. His ass.
Oh, he done fucked me up. I ain't even gonna hold you. That boy done fucked me up. That young nigga done fucked me up.
How you doing, man? Damn, this big slime, man. That nigga out here.
Big slime in this bitch. Oh, what up?
Damn. He going crazy. Yeah. Where you keep going, bro? My cameraman keep. Oh my God, bro, I'm finna die.
You got my screen.
Oh. W fucking cameraman, bro. Y'all better motherfucking subscribe for all this motherfucking clips and content in here, bro. We lit out here, bro. He getting it all for y'all. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Spin that bitch.
Spin that bitch, man.
Spin that bitch. Spin it.
That bitch got no ties for that bitch, man. No. Is that fucking Corbin? Is that fucking Corbin? How you doing, man? What up, boy? How's the channel doing? Huh? How's the motherfucking channel doing? Channel's doing good, bro. His ass a W cameraman, bro, because it's like my first car meet. Bro, you gotta keep sending me car meets, bro.
I got you.
I've already had Connor and some other dudes show me
There's
some
one
car
tomorrow, but it ain't gonna be like this. It's cars and coffee, bro. It's nice ass cars, but they all just chill.
Okay.
They don't do this shit.
I want to go to this shit. This shit is live.
You
Like
need to go to Chicago with us tomorrow, bro.
Chicago, maybe. I gotta do some something tomorrow, but maybe.
That shit's probably fucking crazy, bro. Hey, bro, I'll see you, man.
Oh yeah, you take it easy. Damn, man. Everybody up in here, bro. It's Cinco motherfucking De Mayo. We is up in here lit. They is cutting up in this bitch.
Everybody cutting up now.
Everybody cutting up.
Everybody
now,
just get in there and say, fuck it.
Every single motherfucker. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit, bro, I feel hella rough. Damn. His ass gone. His ass gone. His ass went no hands. What you talking about? He won't keep it going though. He won't keep it going though. Everybody wants the Hellcat to go crazy. I know. Everybody put it up in the comments down below. Hashtag no tires. Oh. Oh damn. He all the way down there. Bro, guess what I found, bro? Come over here, bro. You won't even believe this. Y'all won't fucking believe this, bro, from the fucking mall videos, bro. Y'all replay the clip, man, 1 and 2. What you talking about? Got my boy Johnny up here. I'm finna ask you a question, but I'm just trying to get you up here, man. Shit, I ain't seen your ass in a minute. No, yeah, I'm finna go over there, bro. I'll get up with you later, bro. Good seeing you, though. No, yeah, come on, bro. Damn, that shit hit me in my motherfucking head. I ain't gonna lie. ZL1, big ZL1. Anyways, man, the camera's gonna go ahead and die. As y'all can see, we is lit out here. We is out here on a motherfucking Friday night at Cinco De Mayo. I hope y'all boys and girls enjoyed the motherfucking video. Y'all need to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and let me know how y'all feel about this video. And we got more like this shit coming. I love y'all, man. Go ahead and subscribe. Gonna hit 1K up anyway, man. Ah!
This shit way too. She made it shady.